Hello viewers, today we have another unboxing video, or in this case on priority mail enveloping. Looks like we have 100 super bright string together lights, and inside of there we should have a Uniden EXP371, and this was packed very nicely, and you can see the antenna is in perfect condition. We do have the original battery from 2003 with plenty of sticky stuff to go around. Supposedly that battery doesn't work. Not sure why it doesn't work, because those are good batteries, but anyways, this did come with the manual. I guess they had one manual that covered all the different ones. And here we have the base. Base and the power cord, model AD310. Here it is. It's a pretty nice phone in good condition. Let me just make sure I had the model number right. This is 371. Yep, okay. So it's in really good condition, and I'm going to charge it up, and then we'll do another video on this to test it out and make sure everything is good. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.